Alright, so now let's begin to clean our Wii remote. And for this one, it is the Y screws, and there are 4 screws. So we're going to begin by unscrewing those screws. Oh, our buttons. Well, all the buttons came off. So this is what it looks like inside. It's a faceplate. And then you got this little thing here. It goes in here for the lights, I guess. Our number 2 button. Look how gross that is. Ugh, all around it, so dirty. I'm gonna throw that in there. 1 button, even worse. Throw that in there. We got this little guy. Oh my goodness, look at all these buttons. They're so nasty. The A button, oof, gnarly. Oh, where are you going? This one is definitely in need of some serious cleanup. And our little power button. And then we have this. Okay, sits on there. So we just kind of pop it all apart. Oof, it's kind of sticky. It's supposed to be that sticky. And this one comes up and kind of pops out. And that is hideously filthy. So I'm gonna grab some Q-tips. We need some more. After we get this guy off, this is the filthiest part. Like, really? What the heck? Looks like they were keeping this like in a really dirty spot. So we're back, and last time I had to cut my video short because the SD card memory was full on the card that I'm recording on. So I had to cut it short, but we're back to finish the second half of the video and get this remote all cleaned up. So here we have all the buttons. I think I'm gonna go ahead and wash all We're gonna lift the circuit board out of this one. It's not too bad. set aside our washing station. Okay, we're gonna inspect the motherboard here. And there's a little hair on there. We'll take that off. It looks really good and clean considering I don't really see any corrosion. Oh, there was actually a little. Let me go ahead and get that off. Some rubber alcohol. I'm going to blow these off to dry them because it's probably the most efficient way. Alright, so now we are ready to put our remote back together. So first off, we need to put the bottom pieces in. This one clips down. Okay, use this back button here. Okay, clipped in. Okay. Then we're going to set this guy down in here, like so. Make sure it all lines up. Alright. And then these ones pretty much have their shapes drawn on of how they're supposed to be. Actually, yeah. I believe it's like this. Really not positive. I have to look at my this part. I forgot to slide it down in here. Okay. These buttons are going to lay in here. The power button up here. Okay, we're going to drop our 4 screws that we have here in the eyeball down into position. Cleaned and ready to test. We're not going to use that one. Oh, lights are coming on, good sign. So we're going to test it out with a Wii and see if it works. Alright, so we have our working Wii plugged in and ready. We're going to get our remote that we just cleaned. Open it up and sync it by pressing both the red buttons at the same time. And then make sure our rusty, trusty sensor bar there is connected. And there's our remote. He's vibrating like he should be. Look at this. Everything's working how it should. That's super awesome. So there you go, have it. Thank you for watching my second video of cleaning and fixing this Wiimote.